Forma Data Management Essentials is now included with standalone subscriptions of AutoCAD, bringing cloud-based project data management directly into familiar workflows. This included entitlement provides centralized storage, version history, and access control for DWG files managed in the cloud. With AutoCAD 2027, shared drawings can now take advantage of advanced collaboration features to support parallel work, improve coordination, and secure cloud-managed drawings stored in Forma Data Management. Using the checkout feature, additional users can check out specific geometry that they need to modify, allowing multiple contributors to work in parallel on the same file. Edits are made in an isolated editing environment. When finished with making edits, you can submit the edits as a trace for review. Once the edits have been reviewed, you can safely merge back the accepted edits to the source drawings when you're ready. With connected references, you can preserve XREF integrity for drawings stored in Forma Data Management by maintaining associations between host drawings and their external references, reducing manual effort and improving performance when working with referenced files. Connected support files expands AutoCAD's integration with Forma Data Management by giving CAD managers centralized control over support files stored and managed in the cloud. Instead of relying on locally distributed resources that can become inconsistent or outdated, teams can now access standardized support files tied directly to their projects. AutoCAD on the web now has several enhancements and integrations. AutoCAD on the web now integrates directly with Forma Data Management issues, creating a more connected and efficient way for teams to manage design feedback. With this integration, users can view, create, assign, and resolve issues without ever leaving their drawing environment. Additionally, plotting in AutoCAD on the web is more streamlined, letting you save plots directly to the cloud, rename files, choose storage locations, and preview PDFs before downloading. AutoCAD on the web now also integrates with Forma Board to connect detailed CAD drafting with collaborative early design workflows by letting users view and edit DWG files within the shared Forma Board canvas, keeping documentation aligned with conceptual development and design storytelling.